teachers are mainly looking at one thing, and that is to really equip the young generation with lessons for life. In the end of the day, what do you want for your kids? Why do you teach the kids about the French Revolution? It's not because you want them to memorize some dates. It's not because it's that crucial what happened in a certain day 200 years ago. It's because you want them to understand the idea and values of the French Revolution. You want them to understand what is freedom. You want them to understand what is the power of the people, etc., etc. There are some lessons that you want to give them, and you go through a lot of material, and you actually, as a teacher, looking for the right moments to have some deep learning, moments that you hope your kids, your students will remember for life. Those games that we use are the perfect simulators that we are using with the kids to get exactly to those junctions, exactly to those moments. We play a game which is, of course, very engaging for the kids, so the kids are with us. And in a perfect moment where our student is not sure what will be the next move, that our student has this obstacle he needs to go through or a challenge, in that moment, our student is open to get a message from us as teachers. And we are looking for those kind of moments. Accelium Edu give you those shortcuts for those kind of moments. In a couple of lessons, you will find yourself as a teacher teaching the exactly right thing, the thing that you became a teacher for teaching them. You will be able to talk with them about decision making, about problem solving, about their future, about how to handle changes in this world, about how to handle relationships. All the things that actually are so important for the kids are coming up from playing those games. And they are coming up in a way that the kids are widely open to hear what you say as a teacher. While in other subjects you struggle quite a lot to look for those moments, and you can teach for months until you have the right moment to talk about something which is really relevant and important. With Accelium Edu, you'll reach that really fast, and you will find yourself over a board of games talking with the students exactly about what kind of a decision they will need to take next month, or how are they planning of structuring their life or their career, etc., etc. And this will come on an open dialogue across the board in a perfect opportunity for you as a teacher. So, if you use Accelium as a teacher, you will find it as the perfect tool, perfect educational tool to promote the kids, to put them where you want them to be, and to help them and support them towards their life. After 20 years, I'm not sure that they will remember the French Revolution, but they will remember this point that you played a game with them, and during the game you explained something. This is something that they will remember for life. And we as teachers are looking for this moment and this opportunity.